Yo, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We are back up in here with another one of them things. And y'all already know what it is. Y'all know what we doing. Y'all know what we about to do. Y'all know what we came to do. Dope Dash, man. Yep, we're gonna go Dope Dash early this morning. Sunday morning, for sure. And man, try to get us some change, but I definitely got, well, that video is gonna be a continuation of a video from the other day. So I can't, oh shit, I can't really speak on that. Damn, it fucked up. I can't really speak on that video, which y'all will be, by the time this video dropped, that video will already been have dropped. And that will be the video on the open houses, man, $1 million houses, you know what I'm saying? Me and Ash gonna go check out some houses, man. So, yeah, it's $1 million houses. $1 million plus. So yeah, what's the date? 12? Right. So, yeah, with that being said, man, yeah, we gonna try to get some content for this video, man. It's Sunday. We're going back out here where we normally be. So, yeah, I got the Christmas decorations out. Ain't nobody worried about Thanksgiving. Somebody ain't at church. So somebody home. And that's where I come in. So let me scoot out here. Scoot out here, man. Try to get the job done, because we're gonna try to, well, I told her to call me when she wake up so I can come back, scoop them, and we go on out to do what we got to do. Yep. It's gonna be an interesting experience, man, because she ain't never done that with me. Why am I talking about? I don't know what I'm talking about. I just said it's gonna be in another video. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I'm gonna say that. I hope y'all enjoyed that video, man. Of the $1 million houses, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah, let me scoot on out. Oh shit. Let me scoot on out here, man, and handle my business. Hopefully, man, we can get some good content today. And I'll catch y'all in a second. Yeah, watching those 7-8 again, man. But yeah, so it's been slow, man. It's been slow all morning. I actually went to another area, man, that was another popular restaurant there, a couple popular restaurants. I just went down there because it showed it was hot down there, but it ain't hot down there because I got number 1 order. I got 1 order. And, I'm headed back down to my spot now. Headed back down to my spot to see what's going on. See, look, I'm already, but I bet this is gonna be something that I'm already passed. I bet you it is. Hold on. Now, y'all heard me get an order. Popeyes. I'm gonna have to take that. I ain't gonna lie to you. Popeyes. $19.50 for 11 miles. I'ma have to go and take it. I'ma have to go. Like I'd be a fool to pass that one. Even though I don't like dealing with Popeyes.
In 600 feet, your destination will be on the right.
I'm finna have to go ahead and get them. I gotta get them.
Your destination is on the right.
I gotta go and get them, man. I gotta get that. I gotta get that. And the reason why I don't like dealing with Popeyes is because they make you go to the drive-thru. I don't like it. What's up, y'all? I had to insert this. I don't know where I'm gonna put this video, but I seen this clean G-body Bonneville, man. Man, that junk's so clean. Oh my God. Super clean. And little K5 Blaze over there too. I ain't gonna get to record them other than right here because I don't know who the owners is and I don't want to just be walking around recording people's stuff, but I ain't this junk clean. Goodness. Yo, what's happening, man? We back.
Yeah.
On some lifestyle type.
Lifestyle's what?
Yep.
Lifestyle's,
And we got the duty mine with it. Y'all see the duty mine? Y'all see the duty mine? Yeah, y'all see the duty mine with the duty mine bun. Ooh. But we about to go handle that though.
Yep.
About to go get rid of the duty bun.
Yeah, what that duty was.
Get rid of the duty bun. Come on.
Now we're driving too. Now we're driving.
Go get him some adjustments on his hair, man. So hold on, let me get him in the jar right there. Hold on. Now, y'all see my light back there now? That junk
Yeah.
flickering. I guess the connection bad on it or something. I don't know what that is, but
Give
just
me
put
the
that light
flowers.
in. But yeah, man, about to run over a little cool house, man, and get something done to this house. Yes. It's been a while. It's been a while since he been
Going over here.
braided, man. So
This way.
yeah, been a while since he been braided. So I'm finna go and do that right there. Handle that business. And man, why I still got his headset on? Let me take that joint off. And yeah, just something to do real quick, man. The guys hanging out, you know.
But the good guys and bad guys are.
Huh? The good guys and the bad guys. What good guys and bad guys?
That's Mario and Bowser.
What?
Mario and Bowser.
Mario who?
But we the good guys too.
Mario and Luigi. That's what you talking about?
Yeah.
I don't know why. I don't know how you got on Mario all of a sudden.
Big fireworks.
It went from Sonic to,
Son's a good
I
guy.
mean, from Spider-Man to Sonic to not Mario. But yeah, so let me scoot on over here, man, to her spot real quick so we can get this knocked out and yeah, hit y'all in a minute. Look at me. What you got going on? Turn around. Let me see. Turn around. Okay. Okay then. Turn around. Keep turning. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Turn around. Not back up. Turn around. There you go. Okay. Peanut head. I see you, cuz. You good? All right. Yeah, I'm finna head to the crib. All good now. Yeah, I sent it, cuz. Check to make sure you straight.
Hey.
He said thanks.
You welcome.
What you got on your face? You ready now?
Yeah, thank you.
No problem. You ready now? You ready to do this? You gotta go to the barber shop now, cuz.
Huh? Bobby shop?
Yeah, the barber shop.